This video presents examination of abdomen, including inspection, articulation, and a brief review of percussion and palpation. Hello, my name is Shivani. I am second year medical student. Can I have your name and date of birth, please?
My name is Sujit and 14 July 1999.
Okay, nice to meet you, Sujit. I am here to examine your abdomen. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Do you have any pain anywhere?
No.
Okay, so let's start with the inspection of your abdomen. Can you please lie down?
Yeah, sure.
Make the patient comfortable in the supine position with a pillow under the head and under the knee. Ask the patient to keep the arm at the sides. To expose the abdomen, place the seat at the level of symphysis pubis. Then raise the gown to below nipple line, just above the xiphoid process. Before you begin, ask the patient to point to any area of pain so that you can examine this area last. Stand at the patient's right side and proceed in the systemic fashion with inspection, articulation, percussion, and palpation. Watch the patient's face for any sign of pain or discomfort. Here, I will examine a healthy patient. Before examination, make sure that patient has emptied his bladder. For inspection, inspect surface, counter, and movement. Watch for bulges or peristalsis and palpation. Inspect the skin for temperature, color, scars, dilated veins, rashes. Observe the counter of umbilicus and look for sign of inflammation or hernia. For articulation, articulate the abdomen before performing percussion or palpation, which may alter the characteristic of the bowel sound. Now let's proceed to place the diaphragm of your stethoscope gently on the abdomen and listen for bowel sound on the right lower quadrant. Listen to their pitch, quality, and frequency. If patient has hypertension, listen to the bruits over right renal artery. Aorta, and left renal artery. In patient with hypertension, a bruit is suspicious of renal artery stenosis, but most bruit has other causes. If you suspect arterial insufficiency in leg, listen for bruits over the aorta, right iliac artery, and left iliac artery. Then identify and listen over right femoral artery, and left femoral artery. Normal sound consists of click and gurgles occurring at an estimated frequency of 5 to 34 per minute. Percussion. Now I will start tapping on your abdomen. If it is tender, let me know.
Okay.
Percuse the abdomen lightly in all four quadrants to assess the distribution of tympani and dullness. Tympani usually predominant because of gas in the GI tract, but scattered area of dullness from fluid and fecus are also common. Note all dull area suggesting an underlying mass or enlarged organ. Briefly percuse the lower anterior chest above the costal margin. On the right, you will usually find the dullness of the liver, and on the left, tympani the overlies the gastric air bubble and splenic flexion of the colon. Palpation. Now I will palpate your abdomen. If you feel any tenderness, please let me know. Palpate the abdomen beginning gently and save painful area for last. Keep your hand and forearm on a horizontal plane with fingers together and flat on the abdominal wall. Palpate the abdomen with a light gentle dipping motion. As you move your hand to different quadrant, raise it just off the skin. Gliding smoothly, palpate in all four quadrants. When resistance is present, try to relax the patient by asking him to exhale, which relax abdominal muscle, and palpate gently again. Deep palpation. Deeply palpate your abdomen. If you feel any uncomfortability or tenderness, please let me know. Palpate more deeply in all four quadrants using palmar surface of finger. One hand on top of other makes it easier to feel deeply. It will help you to identify any masses, note their location, shape, size, consistency, tenderness, pulsation, and any mobility with respiration or pressure from examining hand. Correlate your finding from pulsation with the precaution note. Okay, now physical examination is done for now. Can you please sit up?
Okay.
Here, there is only brief discussion of percussion and palpation. Detailed discussion will be in next class. Thank you for listening.